Household chores vocabulary in English. Dusting. Dusting. Meaning, removing dust from surfaces using a cloth or duster. Vacuuming. Vacuuming. Cleaning floors and carpets using a vacuum cleaner. Sweeping. Sweeping. Using a broom to remove dirt and debris from floors. Mopping. Mopping. Cleaning floors with water or a cleaning solution using a mop. Washing dishes. Washing dishes. Cleaning dirty dishes, utensils, and cookware. Doing laundry. Doing laundry. Washing, drying, and folding clothes and other fabric items. Ironing. Ironing. Removing wrinkles from clothes using an iron. Making the bed. Making the bed. Straightening the sheets, blankets, and pillows on a bed. Cleaning windows. Cleaning windows. Wiping and removing dirt and streaks from windows. Taking out the trash. Taking out the trash. Emptying and disposing of garbage from bins or cans. Cleaning the bathroom. Cleaning the bathroom. Scrubbing and disinfecting the toilet, sink, bathtub, and shower. Cleaning the kitchen. Cleaning the kitchen. Wiping down countertops, appliances, and kitchen surfaces. Organizing. Organizing. Arranging and tidying up items in cabinets, drawers, and closets. Watering plants. Watering plants. Providing water to indoor or outdoor plants. Sweeping the porch. Sweeping the porch. Removing dirt and leaves from the front or back porch using a broom. Changing bed sheets. Changing bed sheets. Replacing dirty or worn-out sheets with clean ones. Cleaning the oven. Cleaning the oven. Removing grease and food residue from the oven. Wiping down appliances. Wiping down appliances. Cleaning and polishing household appliances like the refrigerator, microwave, and stove. Dusting blinds. Dusting blinds. Removing dust from window blinds using a duster or cloth. Cleaning the refrigerator. Cleaning the refrigerator. Removing expired food, wiping spills, and sanitizing shelves. Cleaning the stove. Cleaning the stove. Removing grime and food residue from stovetop burners and surfaces. Scrubbing the sink. Scrubbing the sink. Cleaning and disinfecting the kitchen or bathroom sink. Polishing furniture. Polishing furniture. Applying polish or wax to wooden furniture to restore shine.